My name is Molly Syakiaputi. This is a presentation I made about computer and hardware. Computer. First, I will explain about computer. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that can perform calculation and process data automatically based on instruction given. In general, a computer receives input, processes it, and produces output in the form of information. Computer classification. Computer classification is divided into several parts based on the data process, usage, and size. Based on process data, it is divided again, namely analog computer function to process continuous data such as electric current, temperature, or pressure. Digital computer function to process data in digital form number 0 and 1 and produce output in the form of number, letter, graph, or image. Hybrid computer is a combination of analog and digital computer suitable for process quantitative and qualitative data. Based on usage, it is divided into special purpose computer is a computer designed for one specific purpose or application such as a microcontroller. General purpose computer is a computer that can be used for various purposes and applications such as a personal computer. Based on size, it is divided into supercomputer is a computer with varying performance, used for complex tasks and requires a lot of resources. Mainframe computer is a large computer that can handle many users simultaneously and is used for business and scientific applications. Mini computer is a computer that is smaller than a mainframe, often used in network and applications that require many users. Personal computer or PC is a computer designed for individual use and has various forms such as desktop, notebook, and tablets. Microcomputer is a computer that is smaller and cheaper than a mini computer, often used in applications that require a lot of research but are not too large. The main function of a computer. The main function of a computer are as a data processing, data storage, communication, and text automation. Data processing is when a computer can receive, process, and produce data. This includes performing mathematical calculation, processing text, and running applications. Data storage is when data is stored on a device for future access and use. This includes file, document, and application. Communication is when a computer can connect a local area network or the internet to exchange information and access research from other locations. Text automation is when a computer can perform text automatically to programmed devices such as running text, sending email, and explain application. History of computer development in Indonesia. In development of computer in Indonesia began in the 1980s when educational, institutional, and compliance began to adopt the technology. Since then, the use of computer has become more widespread in various sectors. The internet and portable devices make computer more accessible and usable by the general public. Hardware. What is hardware? Hardware is all the physical components of the computer system that can be seen and touched. These include everything from internal parts like the processor and RAM to input or output devices like the keyboard and mouse. Hardware function process data is a processing data which then becomes new information that is useful so that it can be understood by humans. Storage data is a hardware that has the function of storing output data. Usually the output will be stored in a computer storage device. Give output is providing output to the user after the input processing process is carried out. Receive input is receiving input. In addition to providing output, hardware also receives input sent by the user. Type of hardware. The various types of hardware are hardware output. Hardware output is a device that functions to produce new information or useful data so that it can be understood by the user. Here are some examples of hardware output. Monitor functions to display information that has been processed. That's why user can see the information. Speaker functions to convert electrical wave into audio wave by vibrating its membranous components. Printer functions to print information or data into paper in the form of writing or image. Hardware input is an input device that plays a role in entering data in the form of image, text, video, and audio into the computer. Here are some examples of hardware input. Mouse functions to move the cursor. In addition, the mouse can also run practical and fast commands. Generally, the mouse consists of 3 buttons, where 2 click buttons are one the left and ring, and 1 scroll button in the middle. Keyboard. Its function is to enter letter, number, and symbol as a medium for user to carry out the required command. Scanner functions to duplicate or copy images and text and then save them into computer memory. Hardware process is a device that is useful for processing data and processing it on a computer. This device can be called the brain of the computer because it carries out important process on the input data. Some examples of hardware process are CPU, function to control all process on the computer, be it instruction management to producing the desired output. VGA, function to process and process graphic data. Later, the output can be displayed on the computer monitor screen. RAM is a type of hardware that can determine the access span in a computer. Storage device is a part of hardware whose function is to store computer data. Some hardware that is included in this type include hard disk. Hard disk is computer hardware that functions as a secondary data storage place. Hard disk can be installed inside or outside the device. Flash disk. Flash disk is data storage hardware with a USB connector. This connector will make it easier for the device to connect to a computer or other media. You can use a flash disk to move data from one computer to another. Optical disk. Optical disk is a storage media that can be read or written bilaterally, where the general form is CD or DVD. Additional devices are tools that help computer to run user command. Thus, devices are usually called peripherals. Their function is to connect computer devices to an internet connection. Trend and innovation in the modern era. As technology advances, hardware continues to innovate. Here are some of the later trend in the world of hardware. AI-based hardware. Components such as TPU, Tensor Processing Unit, are specifically designed to support artificial intelligence applications. This TPU is used to accelerate the machine learning process. Large capacity storage is SDS with capacity of up to several terabits are available on the market, supporting large data storage nets such as 4K video or large-scale database. Defense miniaturization. Many computers such as the Raspberry Pi show how hardware can now be packaged in a small size without sacrificing performance. Environmentally friendly hardware. There is an increasing demand for energy efficient and reusable hardware. Thank you.